This video shows how to buy shares of BlackBerry Limited, ticker BB, listed on NASDAQ. BlackBerry develops secure software and embedded systems for enterprise and automotive clients, and this guide is educational and not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and I use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker BB to find BlackBerry Limited. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to identify the correct stock. On the stock page, you will find basic company information and a price chart for BB. Confirm the company name and NASDAQ listing to ensure it is the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order details before submission. If the market is closed, the order will be queued as pending, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add funds before confirming the trade. After execution, your BlackBerry position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is included in the description if you want to visit the platform.